579 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 579. Therefore, 579 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 18.996062999205 feet. So, in other words, 579 centimeters equals 18.996062999205 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.